Have you ever wondered if that succulent you're caring for is a jade plant or an elephant bush? Today, we're going to clear up the confusion and help you identify these two common houseplants. Number 1. Family. They both belongs to different family. Number 2. They both have different leaf shape and size. Number 3. Shape of the plant. Jade plant grow like a tree while elephant bush looks like a shrub. Number 4. Jade plant stem become thicker. In case of elephant bush, the stem is slender and flexible. Number 5. Jade plant grows upright and can be trained into a bonsai, where elephant bush grows horizontally. Care requirements. Watering. Elephant bush is more drought tolerant than jade plant. Root rot is the major problem in both the plants. Sunlight. Elephant bush can tolerate more direct sunlight than jade plant. Soil. Both the plants need well-draining potting mix. By understanding these key differences, you can confidently identify and care for these popular succulent plants. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends.